Thank you for joining us for how to create a Skype account from Workforce Solutions North Texas. I'm Ginger Hanna. When attending our virtual job fair, you're going to need to have a Skype account already set up and ready to go in order to communicate with your virtual hiring manager. I'm going to show you how to do that today. It's super easy and fast. So navigate your way over to Skype.com. Notice when you sign in, it says download Skype. You don't need to do this if you have Windows 10. It's already installed on your computer. You're going to use the same process if you're doing this on your phone as well. So navigate over to your Play Store and find Skype and install that on your phone and follow these steps given here. Click on the sign in button up in the upper right-hand corner, and it gives you an option that says new to Skype, sign up. You can use your phone number or your email account to create a Skype account. Keep in mind when using your email, make sure that it's a professional email address. If you don't have a professional one, then create one before you sign up. You always want to portray a professional image when dealing with a hiring manager. Create a password. You can use letters and numbers to create a password with. That'll make it more secure, of course. Y'all write your passwords down. Don't forget to do that. I know they say don't do that, but I'm telling you, write them down. You don't want to spend valuable time resetting passwords. That's very frustrating. Type in your first name and last name. Please remember here to use proper punctuation and capitalization. Okay. Type in your name just as you would write it down. Okay. Again, sending a negative message to an employer if you're not using proper punctuation and capitalization. Add your birth date here. You'll notice it's already defaulted to United States, so you don't need to do anything then or there. Just fill in your birth date and verify your email address. Now you're going to need to navigate over to your email account. You were just sent an email saying that you registered. There's going to be a code in there, and you're going to need to enter that code in this blank now. So go retrieve the code, enter the code, and then click next to continue. Here you're going to verify that you're not a robot. So type in the information that you see in the box, enter the characters that you see to create your account. Choose your profile picture. You can upload a profile picture or you can skip that step, okay? If you choose to upload a profile picture, remember to use a professional picture. You don't want to use a family photo or something silly. And if you don't have one, get dressed up and ask somebody to take a picture of you. So you have a professional picture to upload here. That's going to be very important too. Again, portraying a professional image when dealing with the hiring manager. And then don't forget to test it. Very, very important step. You want to make sure that it's ready to go. The speakers, the audio, the microphone, the video, it's all working correctly. So test your audio before you go any further. You notice there it says you can make a free test call if you want to. And you can find your contacts really easily here. Find your contacts, look up your friends, do a trial run before the big day. You need to make sure it's all working correctly, like I said. So there you go. Now you're ready to go to the virtual job fair and find that new job or career for your future. Virtual job fairs are going to be the normal in these times. We're going to be seeing them very, very regularly. So you want to be prepared. Go ahead and create your Skype account now so that you're prepared for that when it does come up. And follow us on social media. Guys, we've got a lot of social media pages. There's join us on YouTube for more workshops and stay in touch with us. You can contact us by phone or by email that you see on the page in front of you. Thanks again. Congratulations. Join us for our virtual job fairs. Stay in touch with us on social media and stay up to date on everything. Thank you and have a great day.